Yo, what's up, guys? I'm gonna make some steak kind of tacos. I don't know. I'll explain it and we'll go along with it here in just a minute. I'm gonna try to use my phone to record this rather than set up my tablet like last time because it's just kind of hard to see. So this will be kind of edited, but it'll be good. So we'll be back in just a moment. All right, so here I've got two 6-ounce top sirloin steaks. Now I'm going to season it with just some sea salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, white pepper, but barely because this stuff is really strong and it can just dump right out of this thing. So not too much white pepper. And then I do some paprika. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my tenderizer and just mash it up a bit. And then afterward, I'm going to slice it all down in cubes. All right, now it's all seasoned. You want to go ahead and like kind of get your edges. You can pat down your edges. I'd use my hands, but right now I am on my phone. So, but you see what I mean? You just kind of like any excess that you have, just go ahead and pad your sides down. Get that all kind of cooked in there. Sweet. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tenderize it with this guy. Just kind of lightly, nothing crazy. Just, you don't have to go hardcore with it. Just kind of lightly tap it. And then go ahead and we'll go ahead and flip them and do the same thing. Here, let me just go ahead and fix that. So like I said, just a little bit. Cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cube these up and I'll be right back. So I cut up all my steak, cubed it up, put it in a container here, and I put in about, not even a tablespoon, half a tablespoon maybe of some extra virgin olive oil. Just kind of stir it around because we're gonna try to get that oily glaze on top of this since we're going to be using the air fryer. A bell pepper, half a jalapeno. We're going to chop these up and I'll be right back. Jalapenos, green peppers, we throw into the meat, we stir it around. We're going to air fry all of that together at the same time. While I did that, I gone ahead and chopped up a little bit of lettuce and some green onion. And we're going to go ahead and leave these out. This is going to be our garnish. Next, I'm going to use my Ninja Foodi. You can use any kind of air fryer, so I'm going to get this set up. This is already cleaned out. I go ahead and change mine to, we'll leave 20 for right now, but I do 375 and then I just start it. And we're gonna let this get all preheated up before we put our meat in there. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. That's good enough for me. I'm gonna open it up. We're gonna take our steak and veggies here. I'm gonna dump them all in there, give it a little stir, and then put this back down for about 5-6 minutes. 7 minutes later, these guys are done. We'll go ahead and turn this off and we'll get this stuff out of here. Okay, I use these Crystal Farms Marble Jack. These are pretty good. So either these, they have another brand too. I forgot the name. Maybe somebody remembers, they can put it in the comments. But I use one of these and I use one low carb tortilla. The La Tortilla is my favorite. This one's 6 net grams of carbs per. There's also these carb balance mission tortillas, which aren't bad, but I just kind of prefer the other ones. So keep that in mind. We're gonna use one tortilla and one cheese flat. So we put our tortilla down. We're gonna put our cheese wrap right inside. What I like to do is I have this Cholula Chipotle hot sauce. I just kind of put a little bit, I'm trying to open this, sorry. I put a little bit inside here. Not much, just, well, however much you want, really. It's just up to you. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. That's it, and then we're gonna fold it right in half, like that. I have some butter melted here. Temperature is around 7. We're gonna go ahead and take our tortilla and cheese, place it right in there. And get that kind of stirred around and let this cook for a little bit, flipping every minute or two. Use a pizza cutter, and we're just gonna cut this into 4 slices. Got our steak, got a bed of lettuce underneath. You top it with some shredded sharp cheddar and some of our green onions. Gone ahead a tablespoon or so of some sour cream, tablespoon or so of some salsa, and a tablespoon of this avocado mayonnaise. And then I did a little bit of the avocado and our quesadilla. And that is a wrap, my friends. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up real quick and eat before my food gets cold. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I'll be back next time. Peace.